Anushka. Today I explain softly and hardly. This is some example of softly like scent, face, eyes, mice, circle, pencil, see, and spicy. This is some spicy like bay leaf and cinnamon, long and black pepper. And we use this spices in kitchen, make food very tasty. And this is some trees. See, this is some example of soft sea. This is some example of soft sea. And this is hard sea. In hard sea we use C letter for make sound k, 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 k. Okay, cub, cut, cog, and cup. See, this is a beautiful cup and soft cotton and cash and very tasty cake. And this is some example of Harsi. And this is some example of soft sea. Thank you.